Ayan, dito na naman kami sa kasama namin yung mga kiddos. This is one here. Don't let her sit down because we're going. This one here is good for kids, guys. Yan ang mga campers. Oh, look at the fish. Fish. Did you see the fish, Ella? Did you see the fish? Ayan guys, nag-enjoy yung mga kiddos ko. Ang ganda talaga dito. Buti din na lang kami dito.